Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create layer masks from selections in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come here at the top, click on Pixel Studio, and then here on the left hand panel I want you to click on this icon and make sure you select the selection brush tool. After that, what I want you to do is actually just go ahead and select the specific layer or object you want to apply the mask to. So let's say I want to do it to this lightning bolt. So I'll just come here and click on it and just draw over this lightning bolt. And as you can see, there's this outline that has been created. I can just come here and click on mask layer. What this will do, it will go ahead and instantly hide everything outside your selection. And you will see this mask right under your image or artboard that you had created. And if you go ahead and use a paintbrush tool, you'll see that you can go ahead and draw inside this mask, and I can easily go ahead and toggle that off as well. And that is how to create layer masks from selections in Affinity Studio.